Yeah, so I'll talk more on the way. Engine is still hot. I should have taken gas, but yeah. Bismillah. Oh, that's a Ninja. Historic district. We have to go left. Oh. This is a scenic route probably. I see bikes, so bro, my eyes started to itch. Oh, but yeah, this is a scenic road. It's just by the river. So on this side, there should be a river. Yep, I can see like those down ramp type of things. Going with eco mode because there is no reason in speeding in such a beautiful road. I mean, this is wonderful, isn't it? We're literally going eco mode. Yeah, this is good. These are nice houses, nice back roads, man. Look at the sky, bro. Yeah, so I think I can talk now. So the idea was, so let's start talking about this. Is that my time in USA, I think, is coming to an end because I'm gonna be honest. I had a fallout with my supervisor, and he won't support me in pursuing what I really want to pursue. I want to work in string theory, and he's like, no, you can't just work on anything you want and get salary, even though now I'm doing a TA, and it's not coming from funds. And he was nice to me in my first year, but from second year somehow he started behaving weird, and I was also facing some problems of my own that I never noticed his weird behaviors, but once in a while I would notice them, and I thought, okay, maybe it was me, and maybe from his side it's okay, but yeah, so he and I were not working out, man. He and I were not working out, and as a result I have decided to take my MPhil and get out of my university. Again, I'm not gonna mention which university I am. I live in New York City, so you probably know. And yeah, and I published a paper, dude, on string theory with my friends. Something I've been wanting to do for a very long time, And most of my friends are back in Europe. It has been a while I talked to them. I didn't have any idea what was going on. I was way too busy dealing with my own stuff. And but look at the beauty. Look at the beauty of the store, man. Amazing. So, and what happens is, somehow my advisor says, congratulations on your paper. I told him, like, hey, we are working on a paper and stuff. And he's like, oh, great. As if it really doesn't matter. And I gave that cyclist a thumbs up, but yeah, I think he didn't notice. So, wow, I mean, isn't this awesome? Anyhow, as I was telling you, am I recording? Yippee. So he is not giving me any work related with a paper or anything like that. Then if I go out and do papers on my own, and he doesn't take it positively, so what to do? What to do in this case? To leave him. That's the thing you have to do. I invested 3 years, and in the last meeting we had, he said, based on my performance, he would have dropped me as a student about a year ago. And I'm a pretty polite person, okay? So even if I'm right, I usually don't argue. So, and I was like, in my head, like, if you don't want to keep me, then you should have informed me earlier, man. Come on. And okay, fine, he doesn't want to keep me, fine. Now people are saying either change supervisors here. Nobody works in string theory, unfortunately. There is one professor, but I mean two of them. One of them is a little bit inactive, the other one is pretty active. So maybe I'll try to talk to them. And my advisor somehow thinks it is good to put pressure on an international student to force him to leave and then complete his PhD from his home country so that he doesn't have to pay me. I'm like, no, that's not gonna happen. If that's the option, then I'm getting out with the MPhil, which is like a master's over here. So I'm like, hell no. What are you talking about? Hell no. I didn't say it to him like this, but yeah, that's the essential idea. So the thing is, he wants a PhD student who will graduate under him, but he's not willing to pay anymore. I'm like, how does that even work? So yeah. So I'll leave him. I'm not sure where I'll go next. I hope my US audiences, I have a lot of people. I mean, I am not a very good content creator, okay, but I just ride bikes. I had a few lectures up back in the days when I was teaching, It's a mix of things. I'm not a professional motovlogger. I just go to places, I keep it as my own memory, I share it with you guys, whoever sees it. I'm really thankful to mostly my US based audience because these people actually watched my content and that's how it got spread in the internet. I'm not a very big one yet. I mean, I have like 668 subscribers, I guess, so far. I mean, by that, I mean the day I'm taking this ride, I think I only have 668 subscribers, but even that's a lot. I never thought I would get 600 subscribers, bro. And that's a lot. So I really appreciate my US audiences. I don't know where I'll go next. Probably I'll go back home for a while, regroup, reapply to a PhD because a PhD is something that I am gonna do. That's my goal because I want to be a scientist. Yeah, I want to be a scientist. I published papers. Even my second paper. Oh my god, a bike crashed or something, or maybe a car. I don't know. Oh, look at the fall colors. Very nice. Gotta be careful, man. Yeah. So the thing is, I'm gonna go, like, even if I have to go back to my home country, maybe I'll buy a bike and I'll see you guys there and see and show you guys how the traffic is over there, how we ride over there. Here we have miles per gallon, miles per hour. There we have kilometer and liters. I can talk about those stuffs. So yeah, but so that's why, my advisor says, oh, you don't come to the campus. I'm like, bro, I'm still producing stuff and I do come to the campus. It's just that I don't show my face to you. That doesn't mean I don't come to the campus, I don't know what happened to him. He was a nice guy with me, like, for the first year. And all on a sudden, he's like, meh. I don't know why people do that. My second paper, which I published with my friends, who are also graduate students, it has 8 citations so far within 3 months. By citation, like, that's like okay, so people who don't know citation is like a like or a comment, like someone has seen your post, right, and thinks it's relevant. That's like social media. So we have like 8 citations in 3 months in a string theory paper, so that's a lot. And this guy must think I'm weird because I'm talking with my hands on. Okay, so I'm approaching a bridge in 1.6 mile. Yeah, and the paper with my advisor only got 6 citations. And now listen to this. All of them are self-citations. By self-citation, I mean it's like liking your own post. And the paper we did together, we don't have any self-citation, man. In fact, we have some 2 famous people who cited our work. So that was really inspiring for us. I'm working on another project. I even gave him a proposal, like I can do 3 more papers at least in the next 1 year. Then based on these 5 papers, I want to write a thesis and then I want to graduate. Even I have a better idea what to do for a PhD. And he's like, I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm like, what the fuck, it's not gonna work. Anyhow, man, enough with the ranting. Enjoy the scenic view. Wow, this is so nice. So nice back roads, man. Reduced speed ahead. Okay. Whoopsie. Hey, bro. village street. Oopsie. Oh, this is a nice town. So we're inside a town now. Gotta be careful. Beautiful town, beautiful smells. Nice. This is nice. Yeah, so that's it. That's pretty much it with my আমি ছাড়া কেউ নাই আমার প্রয়োজন। This is beautiful. Wine hut. Yeah, just gonna close the visor so that it's a little bit quiet. Bro. Wow, nice house, man. Old but nice. Oh, we're at almost 60 miles a gallon. Damn. We have still 43 miles. But these are the roads you don't feel fatigue on. Nice mountains, nice sun. look at the fields. I wanna go there, touch the grass. I wanna go touchy touchy. We already rode like 90 miles. You cut through places with a motorcycle, huh? Really? True.